preparation which is from US. Okay, but this is a version that is taken from pineapple upside down. That is a popular dish from France. Okay, that is also one apple tartare. That is also very much popular in France. Here the base will be of cream caramel. That I have the sugar here. I will caramel it. Okay. Then we make this is a mold. I will line the caramel in the mold. Then I will place the mangoes that I already sliced them. Then I will make a cake mix. Okay. Then over that I will pour the cake mix. Then we will bake it. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the MHM third semester. This is your first bakery practical, and hope this will be a great semester for all of you. You will have a great learning. So let's start with the caramel first. First, we will do the caramel. For that, I have the sugar here. That I have taken 100 gram of sugar. There are other ways to caramelize also. We can put little bit of water into it also. But here I am going to dry fry. I am doing it this way also. But it is, you should always be careful while you are working with sugar here, because the temperature, the temperature of the caramel is around more than 160 degrees centigrade. So it can, if it spills into the hand or anywhere in the body part, it can affect. So be careful. Now you see, sugar starts caramelizing. Okay. There is no need to use a spatula over it. Just tilt your pan. Okay. It is little difficult when you are doing it in a little portion. The caramelization of sugar. Okay. Now see, brownish color starts coming. It is turning into caramel. Sugar has its unique property of caramelization. That is why it is preferred in many of the other dishes also, to give it a color. Along with the sweetness, it will enhance the texture of the food, and in the bakery product, it plays a very important role. Now the caramel is ready, you can see. Now we will pour it into the mold. Very careful while working with sugar. I am using very less sugar. Now it gets lined up. Okay, now we will arrange the mangoes. I have the sliced mangoes here. Nicely arrange them to form a rose-like appearance at the top of. This is called upside down, because we bake it, the lining is at the down base, and when we serve it, the base will come at the top. The mango will have a nice caramel flavor when they get baked.
1, 2, start.
Now you see I have lined them well. Okay. Now over this I will make a cake mix and I will pour it and then we will bake it.
Start.
Now we will start with the preparing of a cake mix. For that I have 100 gram of caster sugar here, 100 gram of butter, this we will do a creaming, mixing of butter and sugar together.
दो जगह तो बताना है. हो गया. 1, 2, 3.
Now it gets mixed.
चल ही रहा था तो मर गया. चल कोई बात नहीं.
Now the butter and sugar gets mixed. It is creamed well in the smooth consistency. Okay, now we will add eggs one by one. I am taking 2 eggs here. With the recipe I am using 2 eggs. You should be careful while you are mixing eggs. Mix them one by one. Mix other one. Little bit of vanilla essence, few drops. It will dominate the bad smell of the egg. Now I will add flour. The flour I have already sifted. Okay. With the light hand, we have to fold the flour here. Here I will add around 5 gram of baking powder. Fold it lightly. Right. Now our mix is ready. Now we will pour it into the prepared mold that we have lined with the mango and caramel already. Just spread it evenly, but be careful, don't disturb the base of the mango. Now this is ready for baking.
Start.
Now I have already set my oven at 180 degrees centigrade. It is already preheated. Now we'll put it for baking. We will bake it for 25 minutes. Then we will check that if it is baked, then we will take it out.
Start.
Now you can see it is baked already. I have taken it out. Okay, you can see the nice sign of the butter glaze over it. I did it with the butter, little bit of glaze. Okay, this is nicely baked. Now it is ready. I will garnish it with a mint leaf, sprig of mint leaf over it. Now it is ready to serve. You can enjoy it at your home also with your friends and family.